What happens to the stubble after the crop is processed? In the season of stubble burning, the share of smoke from stubble burning is around 25%. In 2018, around 49,000 stubble burning incidences were reported in Haryana and Punjab. In the same year, around 14,000 died in the national capital, suffering from respiratory diseases. 2.2 million children in Delhi have irreversible lung damage due to the poor quality of the air. What happens to the sugarcane leftovers from sugar mills? An acre of sugarcane produces around 4,000 tons of trash. Most of it is burnt, again polluting the air. Around 45 million tons of stubble are burnt in paddy fields every year. 100 million tons sugarcane bagasse is burnt in field. Just imagine the amount of air pollution generated by wasting such huge amount of organic fiber every year, accounting to more than 1,500 premature deaths per day. How can we stop this? How can we use this organic non-wood fiber? Provides energy-efficient, sustainable solutions to convert the residual organic fiber into magic. To produce micropulp mills based on non-wood fibers and to set up turnkey projects to produce molded fiber pulp products. Discovering the environment-friendly and sustainable technique for processing paddy stubble into pulp fiber without polluting the environment. And our non-wood micropulp mills are based on this particular environment-friendly, chemical-free. How is fiber pulp molded tableware made from non-wood fiber pulp? Number 1. From bought or purchased pulp from paper mill, or number 2. From non-wood fiber pulp mill installed in-house. Non-wood pulp of rice or paddy, straw stubble, sugarcane, bagasse, bamboo, wheat straw, etc. is collected and converted into pulp slurry through a pulp mill. After converting the residue into pulp slurry, waterproof and oil-proof additives are added to it. Then, pulp slurry goes to the pulp slurry chest. The pulp stock supply chest moves the pulp continuously to the pulp thermoforming machine. Forming is the key process in production line. The process is quantitatively pulp supply using grounding method, back flushing power supply, vacuum dewatering and forming. We give you a choice of 3 types of forming machines. Semi-automatic thermoforming machines, manually operated. In semi-automatic manual machines, the pulp is molded into various products like plates, cups, trays, etc. using manual hand transfer of products on a wire mesh. After removal from the mold, the product is then sent for trimming manually and later for quality check. Semi-automatic thermoforming machines, robotic arm operated. In robotic arm-driven semi-automatic thermoforming, the pulp is molded and products transferred using robotic arms and then formed into a product by hot pressing, but the trimming and quality check are done manually. Fully automatic, servo-driven thermoforming machine with inline trimming. Fully automatic thermoforming, 3-stage hot pressing and inline trimming is done automatically with advanced technology to eliminate holes, uneven thickness during production so as to reduce defective goods. The semi-finished product will be moved into drying mold for mold drying. The product taken out from the shaper will be moved into edge cutting machine, where the extra edge will be trimmed. The fully automatic machine needs a smaller number of persons but skilled operators. After this process, the product is actually in shape, but the most essential step follows, the quality check. Here, every product is checked for its shape, size and durability. After quality check, the product is then passed on to the counting division, where it is counted, stacked and then sent for packaging. Our major products are micropulp mills for non-wood fibers, semi-automatic pulp molded thermoforming machines, semi-automatic pulp molded thermoforming machines with robotic arm manipulator, fully automatic pulp molded thermoforming machines. 100% biodegradable and compostable tableware are the need of the hour. In order to save the environment and to protect the nature and Mother Earth for future generations, we need to make a choice now, or before it's too late. Let's switch to start using compostable molded pulp products. By 2022, globally most of the countries will eliminate the single-use plastic-made disposables, packaging, etc. Already a lot of awareness created through print or social media. WHO, UNDP and NGOs are working to make our Mother Earth green. Oceans and rivers are free from plastic waste. When Wright brothers invented airplanes, there were no airports.